You're listening to Sniper Marketing AI. Today, we're talking about a question that almost every smart founder is starting to ask in 2026. How can my brand show up inside AI assistants like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, and Claude? We're entering a world where people don't just Google it. They open an AI, ask a question, and get a summarized answer. Sometimes that answer mentions brands. Sometimes it links to sources. The brands that understand how this works and build for it are going to have a big advantage. First, let's make something clear. You can't force an AI assistant to recommend you on command. There's no magic prompt or secret backdoor. These systems pull from a mix of web content, documentation, search results, and sometimes proprietary data sources. Your job is to make your brand as AI-friendly and answer-ready as possible, so when those models look around your niche, you stand out as a strong option. The biggest ingredient is still what it's always been: genuinely useful, well-structured content that clearly explains problems and solutions in your space. AI models are trained to recognize high-quality explanations, step-by-step breakdowns, and credible details. That means your site needs content that goes beyond surface-level blurbs. Think clear guides, FAQs, case summaries, and in-depth answers to the questions your ideal clients actually ask. At Sniper Marketing AI, we treat this like building a library for both humans and machines. We start by mapping the core questions in your niche. How do I use AI for X? What's the best way to automate Y? Who helps with Z? Then we create pages and posts that answer those questions in a structured way, using headings, short paragraphs, examples, and supporting details. On top of that, structure and metadata matter. Clear titles, descriptive URLs, solid meta descriptions, and schema markup where appropriate all help search engines and AI systems understand what your content is about. It's not about stuffing keywords. It's about being unambiguous. This page is about AI marketing automation for local businesses, not services with vague text. Topical authority is also important. AI models look for patterns. If your brand has 10 strong pieces of content around AI funnels, AI email, and AI dashboards, plus a podcast and social posts on the same themes, the signal is stronger than if you wrote one post years ago and never revisited it. Consistency across channels helps AI see you as someone who really lives in that topic. Proof and trust signals matter too. Case studies, testimonials, client stories, and real results make your brand look more credible. Not just to humans, but also in the context of how content is judged. If you share specific outcomes and processes, you're adding detail that AI can pick up and reference when it explains what companies like yours do. Another layer is owning your own AI experience. That means adding AI-powered chat and knowledge bases on your own site. When visitors can ask questions directly on your domain and get helpful branded answers, you're training both your users and your own systems on how to talk about your expertise. Over time, that creates more structured content, more signals, and a better experience that other tools can observe or cite. You should also pay attention to where AI tools often pull sources from. Strong websites, well-maintained blogs, reputable YouTube channels, and current podcasts. Being present, clear, and consistent on those surfaces increases your chances of being part of the answer set when someone asks an AI a question your business can solve. There's no overnight hack here, but there is a clear path. Define your niche and core questions. Build in-depth, structured answers on your site. Back them up with proof and examples. Stay consistent across channels. Add your own AI-powered experiences so people can interact with your expertise directly. That's how you make your brand more visible in an AI-driven discovery world. At Sniper Marketing AI, we help brands build exactly this kind of AI visibility strategy. We connect your SEO, your content, your funnels, and your own AI touchpoints into one system that makes you easier to find and easier to trust by both humans and machines. If you want your brand to be the one AI assistants can confidently reference when someone asks, "Who can help me with this?" Call 786-565-4749 or visit snipermarketing.ai. And for ongoing insights about AI discovery, funnels, and digital growth, follow at Sniper Marketing AI on every major platform.